guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mariiiii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing this mask off makeup look. I've seen this floating all over Instagram these past few Halloween years, and today is the day your girl finally does it. Don't mind this side. The mask is coming off this side. You guys, how freaking cool does this look? I keep looking at like myself in the rear view mirror. What am I driving? I keep looking at myself on the viewfinder. But anyways, in today's video, I'm pretty much gonna show you how to get this mask off Halloween makeup look. It is very, very easy. I know it looks challenging and scary and like, girl, that's like hard, because that's what I thought when I saw this like trend going around. I was like, ooh, like I don't think I can do that, but your girl did it. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this look, I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, here I am again with another Halloween tutorial. Just so you know, like, these aren't gonna stop. The whole month of October, they're gonna be like majority Halloween tutorials. All right, so since we're doing this cool like mask off Halloween look, I want my eyes to be like cute, you know? So it's gonna be like scary but cute. So this company named Folklore, I'm not sure how to say the name, but they sent me these palettes and they look very intriguing, so I want to use it. The video is not sponsored by them, but I just got these products in like a PR package, so I'm excited to use them. They do look like dupes for some palettes. Like, what does this palette look like to you? Jaclyn Hill? But yeah, so these, I don't know, like I kind of want to do, you see that's like an iridescent like mermaid color. I kind of want to do that on the eyes. Since this is like a scary mask off look, I want a cute eye look. So I'm going to put on some chapstick because my lips are dry. But again, I already have my face base on. Most of my Halloween tutorials are probably going to be like I already had the face on, because the main shebang is the Halloween look and not the face look. Unless it has to do with the face look, then I'll do it. But yes, I already have the face base on, so I'm going to do the eyes. I don't know what kind of eye look I want to do yet. So this is the Constellation palette. Do you guys see that blue? Like, I kind of want to do something with the blue. Okay, so I'm going into the Constellation palette and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Taurus, using a Morphe M441 brush. And that's just going to be my transition shade. Alright, so now I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Cancer. And that's just to darken up the crease some more. Alright, so for the main lid shade, I think I'm going to take this Gemini shade right here. It's calling my name. I was debating between Aquarius and Gemini, but Aquarius is more like a topper. I don't know. Should I do it? Oh. Okay, fine. I think I'm going to try Aquarius. Let's see. Ooh. I'm honestly kind of going with the flow with this eye look right now, as you guys can tell. This is gorgeous. It's kind of like a pressed glitter, so I don't think the shadow's gonna last long because I'm almost like to the bottom. But do you guys see that? That's so pretty. This is giving me mermaid vibes. Since it's like glitter, I'm not really gonna blend it out because it's kind of like sticky, but it's also an eyeshadow, if that makes sense. I think I'm gonna line the lash line. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and take like a dark brown eyeshadow just to line the lash line. So now to smoke out the lower lash line, I'm pretty much going to use what I used in my crease, which were Taurus and Cancer. And then go in with the pencil brush and smoke it out. Okay, so I really want the eyes to pop, so I'm going to take this NYX Milk, I believe. Yes, is it called Milk? Yes. Milk jumbo pencil and put that on my waterline. To highlight the inner corner, I'm going to take this Ciate London. It's like a liquid eyeshadow, and this is the shade. What shade is this? It just says I Lust Cream Eyeshadow. This color is so pretty, but I don't know what the name is. It doesn't say on here. So I'm just going to take it on a brush and apply it in my inner corner. Now I'm taking my Scuba mascara by The Balm and just applying that to my lower lash line. Alright, so now that my eyes are pretty much done, I'm gonna start tracing the mask where it's gonna look like my face is coming off. I'm just gonna go into the James Charles palette and take this shade right here just to start off with something light. If it's too light, then I'll probably go in with the jumbo stick. I'm not too sure yet, but I'm just gonna carve out where the mask is going to be. Okay, yeah, so the eyeshadow didn't work, so I'm gonna use my NYX jumbo sticks to carve out where the mask is gonna be. Okay, so this is the outline of the mask. This is pretty much what we're gonna go off of. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with like a gray shadow to pretty much shade where the mask has its shadows, like right here and on the side. So I'm gonna go into this Morphe palette. It's very old, but I need like a gray shadow, and it's probably gonna be some of these right here. I'm gonna sketch over the mask since it's white right now. I kind of want to darken it, so I'm gonna go in with like a dark gray eyeshadow and just start sketching. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the light gray shade and start shading pretty much just above here, just to give that shadow. So if you turn this way, and this is where like the shadow would go, it's kind of hard to explain, but just pretty much shade where a shadow would form. Like this, it'd be here and down here. See how it's already given that dimension? And also right here by the hairline, just blend it out a bit. It's gonna look a little crazy at first, but ooh, we're getting somewhere. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker gray. I'm just using different types of gray just to give it that perfect shadow. And again, just doing the same thing, just shading. And then obviously the closer to the mask, the darker, and then lighter, so it gives that dimension. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with a felt tip liner and pretty much outline the mask to make it look more realistic. That really helped. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm doing it. Alright, so now to give it more of like the mask shadow, I'm gonna pretty much draw the line up from like the middle of my eyebrow. Well, straighter, and then pretty much fill that part in. So when I turn this way, it looks like the mask. This whole thing is gonna be colored in. I probably shouldn't be coloring with the felt tip, but oh well. And then just go up into the hair to make it look more realistic. Honestly, this side is poop. I shouldn't have freaking drawn, but like from here, when you take the picture, it's like, oh my god. Alright, so now we're gonna draw a line from the jawline. You have to follow it, because if you go up, it's not gonna look the same. If you go higher than the jawline, you're gonna have to shade more, so just follow. Wait a minute, how am I gonna do this? And then you're gonna start to shade a little more down here. This is really hard to talk and do. Just pretty much just shade. Like so. And then now to make it look like it's a mask, I'm gonna draw like a line that's like holding the mask on my face. And then a line going back. Oh my gosh. That's so freaking cool. I think I want to shade a little more. And then when you go like this. Oh my god! This is so cool. I did that. You guys, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone when it comes to these Halloween makeup looks. I'm so proud of myself. Alright guys, so I went ahead and changed and put some lipstick on. And I'm so impressed and happy on this freaking mask off look. Like, it's honestly so easy. Like, I see all of these all over Instagram and YouTube and like everything, and I always like thought to myself, like, I can never do that. Like, it's so hard. And you guys, honestly, please try this. It is the most easiest thing ever, and it looks super fun. Like, if you need a last minute costume, just be yourself and be like, mask off, bitch. So yeah, I'm so happy in the way this turned out. It's so cool. Like, looking in the camera, I'm like, oh my god. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Stay booming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.